Hi YouTube listeners, this is Rich Baxter from carandtrucktalk.com. Visit us at carandtrucktalk.com for the latest car news and truck news, auto repairs, and parts news. Our podcast we do is called Car and Truck Talk USA. It's hosted by myself along with Eric the Car Guy from ericthecarguy.com. We talk about muscle cars, we talk about hybrids, we talk repairs with you, import cars, whatever you want to talk about. One of the best places to stay in touch with the carandtrucktalk.com is on Twitter. You can find out what we're up to all the time, including our next show, which is Father's Day next week. And this one is going to be, what did your dad used to drive? Was it the old Ford or the Mercury Montclair Breezeway that you see on the screen? Well, maybe not. Well, here's a couple news items for you. The Chevrolet Cruze trades spare tire for fuel economy. How does the Cruze get such great economy? Well, the secret is out. Chevy does not include a spare tire with it. No, they include a repressurization kit to inject a sealant into any tire that may be punctured. Well, that's pretty neat. Here, 4,000 Juke owners are going to get $400 from Nissan. And how did that happen? Well, they misstated their gasoline tank size in an ad. All-wheel drive buyers were thinking they were getting a larger tank than was originally advertised by Nissan. But as a result of the mistake, those buyers are now getting $400. In other news, Ford is ordered to pay almost $2 billion in a truck dealer suit. The Ford dealers claimed Ford had overcharged them for the trucks for a certain amount of years, and a jury agreed. So for now, Ford going to cough up possibly $2 billion. Ford also is going to triple the electric EV put out that they do currently, and they will be the first to put out a minivan, which is EV. So it'd be great to see that. Well, thanks for catching this edition of carandtrucktalk.com on YouTube. My name is Rich Baxter. I'm leaving you out with a video by one of my best buddies on YouTube here, The Getawayer. I love his videos.